love making baked rice. It's so much better than just a simple steamed rice. And what makes this so special is adding a really nice chicken stock. So into a pan, we're going to start with some butter, just a small knob of butter, along with some extra virgin olive oil so the butter doesn't burn, about a teaspoon or so. I'll add 1 onion that I've finely chopped. It's important not to get too much colour on the onions. We just want to soften them. While that's cooking, I'm going to bruise 3 cloves of garlic, and you don't need to chop these, and just bruise that with your knife. And as this steams with the rice, it'll become quite soft and sweet. And we'll just coat the garlic in the onion and the rice. This is just long grain rice. I've given it a good wash. I don't want it to be too starchy. I want it to be quite fluffy at the end. And now we'll coat this in the onion mix. I'll also add some herbs, so some thyme and a bay leaf. Okay, and instead of water, this is where we use our stock. So you'll need 500 ml of this nice stock. I'll just give it a quick shake and we'll add that to our rice. So pour that in. And now we just want to bring this to the boil. I'll also add just a small amount of salt. Now you really only need a small amount of salt for this because the stock is already seasoned. So give that a stir. Once that comes to the boil, I'm going to pop the lid on and it goes into the oven 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, the rice is cooked and it smells so good. I can smell that chicken stock, the onions, garlic, bay leaf, and the thyme. And this is something you would serve at the table as a side for a roast or whatever you like. And you just want to use a spoon to just gently separate the rice, and look at that. Forget about plain steamed rice. It's all about baked rice.